guys, welcome to my channel Mostly Brilliant. Today I'm gonna tell you 16 largest things on earth. So let's get jump into the video. Number 16 is sequoia trees. Sequoia trees are the biggest living things on this planet by volume. They can grow to 275 feet tall and 26 feet in diameter. Number 15 is Amphicolia. Amphicolia is the biggest animal that ever lived on Earth. These herbivore dinosaurs lived 145 to 161 million years ago. They could reach 58 meters in length, and one vertebra of this animal was 2.5 meters. Number 14 is Titanoboa. Titanoboa is a close relative of a boa, but so much bigger. Titanoboa lived 58 to 61 million years ago and could reach 13 meters in length. A reticulated python living on our planet nowadays can only grow up to 7.5 meters. Number 13 is jackfruit. Jackfruit is the biggest tree-grown fruit in the world. It can reach 90 centimeters in length and 50 centimeters in diameter. Number 12 is Argentavis. Argentavis lived 5 to 8 million years ago. It is one of the largest birds in the Earth history. The spread of its wings could reach almost 7 meters and it ate rodents. Number 11 is the Paradise Cave. One of the caves in the national park in Vietnam was named the biggest and most beautiful cave in the world. The biggest chamber is more than 5 kilometers long, 200 meters high, and 150 meters wide. Number 10 is Rafflesia. Rafflesia is the largest flower on earth. It can reach over 100 centimeters in diameter. The flower is also known for its smell of rotting flesh. Number 9 is giant deer. Giant deer appeared about 2 million years ago. When forests start spreading into open spaces, giant deer died out because their large antlers, over 5 meters wide, made it impossible for them to move through dense branches. Armillaria ostroi, which is generally named the humongous fungus, is one of the largest living organisms on earth. It covers 8.4 square kilometers in the Malheur National Forest in Oregon and is mostly hidden underground. Number 7 is merostomes. Merostomes are the largest known arthropods. They could grow up to 2.5 meters and they lived to 48 to 510 million years ago. The Great Barrier Reef. The Great Barrier Reef is the world's largest single structure made by the living organisms located in the Coral Sea. It stretches for over 2,300 kilometers over an area of approximately 3,44,400 square kilometers. Number 5 is giant short-faced bear. When a giant short-faced bear stood up on its hind legs, it could reach 4.5 meters in height. With its extra powerful jaws, it was one of the largest carnivorous mammals that lived on Earth during the Ice Age. These bears died out 14,000 years ago. Number 4 is Gigantopithecus. Gigantopithecus was the largest ape of all time and it lived about 1 million years ago. It is hard to make any certain conclusion based on the rare remains. However, scientists believe that Gigantopithecus was up to 4 meters in height and 550 kilograms in weight and ate mostly bamboo. Number 3 is Quetzalcoatl. Quetzalcoatl lived 66 to 68 million years ago. It was the largest and the biggest flying bird in the planet's history. The spread of its wing was 12 to 15 meters and it fed on carrion and small vertebrates. Number 12 is blue whale. The blue whale is the largest animal living on the earth today, and it is also the largest animal in the earth history. It reaches 33 meters in length and 150 tons in height. By the 1960s, the blue whales were nearly all killed, with only 5,000 animals remaining. Today, there are no more than 10,000 blue whales, and it is sheer joy to see one of them in nature. Number first is Sarcosuchus. Living a long ago, the ancestor of a modern alligator, Sarcosuchus was about 12 meters in length. He preyed on small dinosaurs and his bite was almost 33,000 to 44,000 pounds, making him capable of biting his prey in half. So guys, this is the video for today. If this video is helpful for you, then like this video and subscribe to my channel Mostly Brilliant and share to your family and friends. Thank you.